Go down!
Please don't hurt us.
Are you and who sent you boys?
My friend, shut up!
You dare not ask me to shut up. I am the prince of Argo Kingdom.
Now go down!
Go down on this!
What? Fast!
You dare not command me! I am the prince of this land!
You think I'm joking with you? I said, go! On your knees! Come on! Go on your knees! You think I'm here to...
Who sent you boys to run this shit on me and my family?
Are you?
I sent them to run this shit on you.
Aana.
How are you?
Boys?
Oh! What is wrong with you? Why must you scream down the whole palace by this time of the night? Don't wake me again. Don't try it.
Eat.
I will, Your Highness.
Leonard.
Dad, please. I want to eat my food in peace.
You go fight.
Dad!
My king, Ujunwa had a dream. A bad one. And you know she is almost due for delivery.
Well, what about the dream?
Well, Aana attacked our son and his family.
But Aana is dead. I mean, it was a public announcement.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's just a dream. I know.
Well, eat.
My prince. My prince. See, you have to calm down. Yes. I mean, you know how pregnant woman does? Just relax. I mean, your queen is pregnant. I believe that's why she's having these strange dreams.
For the past 2 weeks. For the past 2 weeks, my pregnant wife has been dreaming of the dead Aana. Why? Why will my pregnant wife be dreaming of the dead man?
I understand. I know how you feel, my prince. Just take this thing like one of the symptoms of pregnancy. Please.
I feel hot. Why must she be dreaming of the dead? It's crazy, man.
I know, just calm down.
Leonard!
Good deal.
Leonard! This is the last time you will raise your hands on your wife ever again in this palace.
Get lost, Mom. I said get lost.
Leonard.
I am not ready for that bullshit.
Are you talking to me in that manner?
My queen.
Leonard!
My queen.
Oh.
It's okay, I'm sorry about that. Don't worry, I will calm him down, please. I will talk some sense into him, please. Please, I'm sorry about that. Excuse me, my queen.
It's alright.
I'm sorry.
It's alright.
My prince.
I will deal with you in my own way. Leonard! Leonard!
The queen is crying.
Why?
I don't know. I went to her chamber to attend to her. I met her crying. She did not even look at me. I just pretend as if I did not even see her or notice her. I did my job and leave.
Wait, but Prince Leo, he's too hard on her. And me personally, I don't like it. That lady is pregnant, for Christ's sake.
Oh, you know why she's crying?
Who doesn't know in this palace? Prince Leo must have hurt her again, which is wrong and bad utterances.
Me, I smell trouble. I smell trouble in this palace. You know, anytime she cries like this, something must happen.
I beg, nothing they happen. Nothing.
Okay now. Okay. You go this way.
Bye-bye, yo.
Nobody.
My king, I don't see why everybody's worried about a dream. This is just common for every pregnant woman. My king, have you forgotten how it used to happen to me when I was pregnant with Leonard in my womb? Have you forgotten? I even dreamt you died many times in my dream. Come on, my king.
I am beginning to think differently.
How do you mean, my king?
That Aana is not dead.
My king, the warder came up with the news that he died.
He just brought a picture, a mere picture.
Come on, my king. This thing happened many years ago. 10 years ago, to be precise. I don't know why you men think differently. This is just normal for a pregnant woman. They are bound to have weird dreams. Yes. Please, my king. You need to talk to your son. Yes, you need to talk to him.
You can never hold what does not belong to you with your two hands forever. One day, the owner will come. One day, the owner must show up. You must pay for all you have done. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. It gon' matter one day. If I never belong, Bani Mafia, you pay if for good, your job. Your evil not gonna last forever. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day meant to worry. If I never belong, Bani Mafia, you pay if for good, your job. We get people everywhere, we get so. You want to eat your cake and have it back again. Aburu ni buchi bunu wa lugembe. Aburu ni buchi keru wa pampagaba. But thank God say God no be man no. Okirikiri kana bubu ase adiali enu. What if you want to when you can Bakagero wetu akanya what you must pay for all you have done.
No, what is going on? Where is the house? Where is the house? Am I dreaming or what? Am I dreaming or what? No! No! Hey. No. No. Papa? Where are you? Where are you people? In the grave? Then Ujungwa? Where is Ujungwa? Ujungwa! 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 But why? Mama, hey, no! Ujungwa!
Wait here, I'll get down. What is it? What is it?
I want to see the king. For what? I want to see the king. Is he around?
The king is around.
My name is Aana. I've been freed from the prison.
You have to calm down.
I'm just coming back.
You have to calm down.
You can say it again and again, my king.
Because I'm saying the truth. That's the language of truth.
Well, life is just like that. It is not everything that one promises that he fulfills.
Igbo Ohaka will fulfill all the promises he made to me before my people faced tribal war. Agreement is an agreement. I'm not a fool.
All you know, for agreement is agreement.
Yes, agreement is agreement. We have a visitor.
A man or a woman?
A man. God! How could you say a man? What is his name?
I don't know his name.
Let him in.
At the gate.
I told you to wait at the gate. I'm coming.
Where is the king now?
Calm down.
It's possible.
So, like I was saying, a promise made must be fulfilled. You understand what?
Hey! Go to my land!
Aana. My king.
You're alive?
Yes, I'm alive. I'm out from the prison. My king, I couldn't find anybody. My family, my mother, my father, my wife Ujungwa, my king. Where are my family? Oh my God. Aana! Oh my God. My king. Hey, hey, Ubiabawam, hey, Ujungwa, hey, Ujungwa. Ujungwa, hey,
everything in this palace is confusing
Hey,
and
you.
annoying.
Stop whatever you're discussing. Let's go. Let's go.
What happened? Did you see the man?
See, I saw a man at the gate a few minutes ago, and this man is looking very scary.
Is he a madman?
How will I know? I don't know.
Is that why the queen fainted?
Maybe. Funaya, where are you going to?
I'm coming.
Funaya!
Okay. Yeah, do this one.
Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am Efna, I am Efna, I am Efna, I am Efna, I am Efna. I am back to take what rightfully belonged to me. Oh Lord, please help me. Mama, give me the strength. Many promises we are made to me, but all we are lies and full of more. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. Back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am back from prison, yeah, yeah. I am Efna, 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 I've lost everything because of my good heart. I lost my parents because of my good heart. My lovely wife is now in the hands of my enemy. Oh Lord, direct my path. This is war. Those of our land, direct my path to the right way.
Say this openly. I thought this boy was silenced in the prison.
Yes or no? That was what the warder told us years ago.
Or was it his ghost that visited the palace?
No. How will I know? If it is Aana's ghost, how will I know? No.
This is unbelievable. Seriously unbelievable. But now, come to think of it, what will His Highness do?
The one that baffles me is this. He did not even fulfill any promise he made to the boy. Yet he is raging that Igbo Kaka will fulfill the promise he made to him. Not only that, his son went and got married to Aana's wife. What a nonsense. Chai! Oh no. You see, let me tell you, this boy, or that boy, Aana, is something else. And I want to believe that he is going to rain calamity in this land if he is not caught and then eliminated. That is my own idea.
Ichie, don't even think we are safe in this matter.
You were the ones that convinced the boy to stand out and save the face of the royal family.
Imagine.
So in the instant case, the Igwe was supposed to have, fulfilled every promises.
There you are. I'm even afraid myself because I don't know. This guy called Aana. Hey, it's something else.
Let us hang it here.
What?
Because... Why would they want to kill me?
There is no time for explanation. You just have to leave this village.
I did not kill Ujunwa.
Ujunwa is alive. Ujunwa is alive. You have to go. They're coming.
Hey! Why would they want to kill me?
There is no time for explanation. You just have to leave this village.
I did not kill Ujunwa.
Ujunwa is alive. Ujunwa is alive. You have to go. They're coming.
Hey!
And he killed my guy.
Yes, Your Highness.
And you let him go away.
No, my prince, I was...
You dare let that bastard go away with Chiamaka! Chiamaka! I will end both of you if you don't get me that man! I will end your miserable lives if you don't get me that bastard! Now go! Go and get me that idiot! Get me Aana! I want to see his head right here in this palace! Get me Aana!
Oh my king, what are we going to do? You need to do something.
That bastard must be found. He must be found.
Ujunwa, how are you feeling now?
Am I dreaming?
No, you're not.
Aana is in the palace.
Yes, Aana was in the palace. That's him.
I knew it. I said it. I knew he was going to come back. I never believed he died in prison.
The guards are looking for him. He killed Onyeka.
That means my dream is becoming a reality. This is a bad sign. We're in trouble.
No.
I'm in trouble.
No. Just put your mind down, okay? Just calm down. Nothing will happen. We will arrest the situation in no time, okay? Just relax.
you okay?
My leg.
Your
My
leg?
leg hurts. My leg hurts.
Sorry. Just wanted to be okay. We'll be fine here, okay? They're not coming after us.
They will. They will come after us. They are going to increase in number and they will come after us. I mean, what did you do? I mean, who are you and what did you do? Why are they looking for you?
Why did you help me? And why did you come out of the palace? You know, they might attack your family.
I am an orphan. My uncle tried to sell me out to an old man. And so I ran. I ran from my kingdom. I got to this kingdom, started working for the queen, the present wife of the prince. Nobody will come after my family. But why are they coming after you? What did you do? I don't even know why I was led in my spirit to help you, to come inform you about this. Who are you?
My name is Aana. And this is my story. At least let me eat well today. And Nemo.
You already eaten with Mama, Papa. What about our food?
Don't bring it here. Let's eat together, okay?
Okay. I'm coming.
Baby. Yeah? Come. Come. Before you bring your own.
Yeah. See this boy.
Mama, again.
Chakwe, you are making love with your father's food.
Mama, allow me now. I'm doing my honeymoon. At least let me eat well today and feed my wife well.
Enjoy yourself.
Allow me, please. Okay.
Eat your love.
After all, I don't even feel like going to work.
So who's going to drive the prince?
The prince will go ahead and drive himself now. All of them know that I'm on my honeymoon.
You are right,
please
my
let
son.
me get our food.
Okay.
You are right, my son. Enjoy your newly married.
Baby, be fast, okay? Mama, to come 1 minute we go.
But you get many love on a link. It should be your personal food. Allow him to enjoy himself. Boom, boom.
Hello? Yes, my prince. I'm at home. Is there any problem? I should come right now. It's okay, my prince. I'll be on my way. Yes, I'm coming. It's all right. Okay.
You'll be on your way to where?
The prince just called. I mean, he sounded very urgent and very worried.
Shebi, I asked you to switch off your phone. I told you to switch off your phone because this prince will not allow you rest. Every time he's always calling you, every now and then. You just started observing your leave. You just started yesterday and he's calling you today.
Baby, you don't
to
understand.
Come.
You don't understand.
What don't I understand? What don't I understand?
He didn't really sound good. I think I have to go and know what the problem is.
Look, honey, this man keeps disturbing you. I can't even have 1 minute with you. He keeps ordering you and controlling you. I don't like it. I mean, he can't keep doing this to you.
It's okay.
Look, just switch off your phone because you're not going anywhere. Switch off your phone.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Every time he'll be disturbing us, I can't even have 1 minute
or... It's okay. Shh. Go and put water for me to take my bed, okay? Hmm?
It's a lie. You want to run away.
I'm not running away.
Put me down.
Now you put the water, come and tell me, okay? The phone is off. Oh. It's off.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm coming. Let me put you on. Papa, what happened? What happened to him?
He fell down from the palm tree.
From the palm tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey!
Christian. Papa, please, just take it easy. What are we going to do?
Please, I want to go to the Itu village. Call that medicine man.
Yes.
You know him now.
Mama.
Please go and call him.
Okay, Mama, please take care of Papa.
Run, I will. Run, Biko. Nah, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I don't want to more. Nah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's alright. It's alright. You will be fine. Sorry.
Aana! Yes, my prince.
Promise you're not going to make a sound. I don't want to hear your voice. It's okay. Shimo, my prince. Shh. I said don't talk. Quiet. It was an accident. I swear it was an accident. This is Chief Mba's daughter. Yes, you know her.
I don't understand. What are we doing here?
What kind of question is that? I'm your man. I'll soon be your husband, so...
Then I just want to know what we are doing here.
Calm. Listen, I don't want you to get me upset. I can be very temperamental. If you resist me... Juliet. Jesus. Fuck! She's dead. She's dead. And everyone knows that she's here. Her father is aware that she's with me. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. I'm confused. What do we do?
Hey, my prince, Obuzelong, Kayo. Hey, what do we do? But I don't. Okay. Let me think. Okay, my prince, let's report this case to the police.
No, Aana. We can't report this case to the... I told you that she's dead. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want anything that will crush my reputation. We just need to do something. That was why I called you. Okay. Think of something. Let's know how to deal with this mess. Hey, just think. Think, man.
My prince, hold on. Let me check if she's really dead.
Come on. She's no more, I swear. She's gone. Listen, we need to do something.
But my prince, I don't know what to do. The only thing that is in my head now is for us to report to the police.
Shut the fuck up! I said think! I am your prince. I told you to think. Find a solution so we can settle this. Are you crazy?
Okay. Hey.
What do we do? Now, what do we do?
How dare you murder the daughter of a prominent man in this land? It was a mistake, Your Majesty. Don't ever tell me that it was a mistake. What type of a mistake is that? Is she still a suckling baby? Now tell me, what type of a mistake is that? Calm down, Your Majesty. I should calm down? I should calm down over the death of a prominent, innocent girl because he couldn't control his libido. Is that what you're telling me? To calm down over his stupidity? Don't worry, Your Majesty. I have... Wait. My prince, please. Tell me this. Was your driver around when the incident happened? Was your driver around on the scene of the incident?
He was on leave.
Good.
But I called him.
Good. Just don't worry. I have an idea. I have a plan. Yes, I have a plan. That's if you will approve it. You will see me.
What did the prince say? Huh? Talk
my
to
love,
me.
Don't worry yourself about it. It's nothing.
Are you hiding anything from me?
No.
You're hiding something from me.
My love, nothing. I told you, don't bother yourself about it. Just get me water to drink. Okay? Please.
Okay.
Hello, my king. Yes, I'm at home. All right, my king. All right. It's okay, sir.
Obi, where are you going?
The king wants to see me. I'm going to the palace. Okay? I'll see you, please.
But your water!
When I come back.
Agụ Kingdom, when?
Yeah.
Agụ Kingdom, when?
Yeah.
Ndị Agụ Kwezuedu. Your Majesty, I have to go. Let us do justice to it. Chukwu Abiyama Ekene, we have come in your presence to receive a go-ahead to this very wonderful meeting, brotherly meeting, very loving meeting. We thank you for everything you have stationed for us to achieve. You will make our son Aana to succeed in life. You will also make us and our kingdom to remain sacrosanct.
I na say dalo. Say ichie. I na so we gonna touch. Tanya no gbe ka ita ya ni be. Ta ka di. Ojinka mo ko no. Ko informa. Ba e kere ko monu. Hey! Ọmaka, okwu ya amaka. Ise, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, the other one is standing by. Your Majesty, with your permission, sir.
Go ahead.
This one is drink. Your Majesty, you are the king of our kingdom. With your aka.
Go ahead.
Ka anyị gọọ n'ọjị, ka anyị gọọ na mmanya. Here we are with a bottle of mmanya oyibo. Dịka anyị gọọ n'ọjị, ndụ anyị gọọ na mmanya. Ọ ga-abara na anyị oo. Ọ ga-abara ụmụ anyị oo. Ọ ga-abara ikwu na ibe anyị. Ọ ga-abara aha nna. Ọ ga-abara ya bara ezinụlọ ya, bara agbụrụ ya. Ifeọma ga-ezu emetụ ya iwu. Anyị ebe enu nke a pụtara na ndị ji ala anyị, ndị chi anyị na ndị olu anyị, ha emekwa ya ka anyị chọrọ. Ngwa, ichie, mmanya erukwala ka a ga-esi na ya na achọrọ isi omu.
Oh no. Please proceed to why we are here today.
Aana natara. Oke nwa na amụrụ a. Oke nwa na amụrụ a. Na-akụkị ndụ. Nke izizi. We appreciate your presence. You are very humble servant. You are a loyal servant. Upon all the use of this kingdom, you are ranking number 1 in every aspect of life. And it is time to save our motherland, our fatherland, our dear kingdom, our kingdom. Do not allow this kingdom to go into shame. Do everything as you can do. Do everything you can to make sure you save us from this shame that has found its way into the kingdom. Yes. Someone like you is not supposed to be around us and watch this kingdom go into shame. Please. Because I know that your main goal is to preserve the sacred sanctity of this kingdom. The time has come for it. Our prince cannot go to prison and will still retain the royalty here. It's not possible. Because of this, we have come to ask you, please, do this for the sake of your kingdom. Do this for the sake of we elders who you love. Do it for the sake of the royal family. Thank you.
I am assuring you that you will not get that sentence. I am already working towards that. This is a top secret.
I do not want my son to go to prison. I do not want my son to go to jail. Gods of our land, please, please, I beg you.
In line with what the unknown has said, we are begging of you to please.
Why?
I want you to consider these reasons. Number 1, it will lead the royalty to vacate the palace if the prince goes to prison for murder. Then number 2, it will be a taboo. Then number 3, it will not be good that the only prince of Ago kingdom goes to prison. And to crown it all, His Royal Majesty here is fighting everything with all his might to make sure that the punishment will not be hard. Please, I beg of you to consider this reason and accept.
Aana, because oh, please, have mercy. Because Ona.
Your Majesty, you know I just got married barely a month ago. Why me? How do I do this? Why not get any of a prince relative to do this? Or even Ono's son?
Aana, we know why we chose you. Serve this kingdom. Serve this royal household. Please.
Aana, my son, consider this alongside with what I'm about to say now. My strong masculine coach you know in this community, Yaboko, used to say something that ka nwa dibia na-agwọrọ ya ọgwụ ka ọ na-azụ onwe ya ndụ bụ ka ọ na-azụ ya ndụ maka ọ na-agwọ ya bụ ọgwụ na-ede aka niile. The route to greatness is not easy. It is rough. But this is an opportunity you have to become great in life. To make yourself a hero by this. Do it because of what it will fetch you. Translating you and your family from abject poverty to what? To greatness in this kingdom. Consider it.
My love, why did the king call you?
My love, there is a big problem.
What about it?
The prince committed a big crime.
Okay.
They want me to go in for him.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
They want to exchange the prince with me.
No. No. No way. Honey, this can't work. Why would they want to do a thing like that? He has to pay for his crimes. I won't let you do that. But are you talking about the prison? Is that what you're talking about?
Something like that.
I can't let you do that to yourself. Obim, I wouldn't let you do that to yourself. It will not happen. It will never happen.
They're begging me. Even the queen. She's been crying. The king. Even the elders. Everyone. They're all begging me.
Obim, you have a wife. You have a wife. You have a family. A newly wedded wife. Are you just going to leave all that behind and go to prison? Are you going to abandon your family here? Obim, I won't let you do that, okay? I would not.
won't let you leave me alone. I won't let you.
Alone.
Babe, don't do this.
I gave them condition.
What condition? Which condition?
If the royal house will agree to the conditions, my nephew, Aana, will go in for Prince Leonard.
Oh, yeah. We will. We will.
Good. Your Majesty, these are the conditions. You will build a duplex for the parents and open a very big fashion house for the wife, who is currently a seamstress. His parents will be having an allowance of 150,000 monthly, and that will be the period Aana will be convicted. And the wife also will be taking 100,000 naira. And all this will come to an end when Aana will come out from the prison.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Chief. Thank you for your wonderful effort.
You're welcome, Ono.
We will do all that. We will do it. Your Majesty.
Oh, yes, on the affirmative. Does Aana have a specific land that all this will be built on?
Yes, he told me everything.
Okay.
And that is why I'm here to confirm from the royal house.
Oh, do you have account?
Yes.
Your Majesty, let's go ahead and implement it.
It's done.
It's done.
So I will get back to him and let him know all that we have discussed.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Please, give him. Take more of this. Take more of this. Guards, please bring one goat from the barn and two tubers of yeah.
Okay,
Greatest news I've had.
Okay, man.
I am happy.
Oh no!
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
You're welcome. You're welcome to my house.
My house has done bad.
I am happy. Please, I don't like this.
I've taken enough. I've taken enough.
Oh, you're okay.
I'm
happy.
Don't even come close to me. Don't even try to touch me. Don't touch me. Why? Why are you doing this? Why do you want to go in for that wicked and heartless prince? Someone who treats you like a nobody. Someone who doesn't have regard for anyone. A heartless beast. Why do you want to go in for him? Of course. That's because you care about yourself. You alone. You're not even thinking about your sick father and aged mother. You're not thinking about how you're going to feel.
Baby, I am doing it for us.
You're not doing anything for us. You're not doing it for us. You're doing it for yourself. And that's because you're selfish, greedy, and inconsiderate. Aana, I will not forgive you if you go in for a crime you did not commit. I will not forgive you. Just know that.
Babe, I am doing it for us, please.
I was convicted for murder. I was in prison for 7 years. I went in for the prince. I was in prison for 7 years for the crime I did not commit. I did not listen to my wife, nor my father. Tears of my mother keep hitting me while I was going in for the crime I did not commit.
I didn't know what to do. I came back and saw nothing. For all I did for the prince, what did I get for it? Nothing. They disappointed me. And to worsen it all, the prince took my wife. What a wicked world. They breached the contract. The agreement I had with them. They did nothing. The world is so wicked.
This is unbelievable. This is strongly wrong. This is wickedness. So they never built the mansion?
I didn't see anything. All I saw was graves.
Okay, you talked about something about taking oaths, so what about that?
I don't know anything about that. I don't know. I feel my uncle deceived me. I don't know. What?
I think I heard something.
Did you?
It must be the guards. We have to get going now.
Are you sure?
We have to go! Let's keep running.
Let's go.
How can this be possible? How? I thought he died in the prison. Huh?
Yeah. I have just finished speaking with the warder. And he told me that he was unable to complete the mission of killing him. According to him, he was transferred to the north and he lost our contact.
Oh no! After how many years that boy did not come? He lied to me. He lied to all of us and ate my hard-earned money. But you know what? I am going to squeeze him like a bitter leaf. Mafia Konubu. Your Highness, this is serious. What are we going to do? You know, his father, my late brother, and the wife died almost 5 years ago.
Oh, yes.
Huh? So, Kefaga, what are we going to do?
To worsen it all, Ujungwa is now part of the royal family.
Yes.
I don't even know who authorized the guards to open the gate for him in the first place.
No, why won't they open the gate for him? No, tell me, why won't they open the gate for him? I warned you all, but nobody listened to me. I did warn you all, but you thought I was speaking trash. Now, have you seen it? No, have you seen it? Have you? My darling husband, Karma is about to pay you an August visit.
This is serious. Very serious.
That bastard must be found.
I told you about this. I warned you. I warned you. But you thought you were smarter. Now, have you seen it? No, have you seen it?
Is the kingdom not in pandemonium already for you to start this? Give me time to think, woman.
Did you say think? Think about what? No, tell me, think about what? You allow Onowu and the elders to drain you with their opinions. You have the money to put up this building for them and also to pay the family. If you had done that, I don't think things would have been this way.
It was a son who raped his wife and got his wife pregnant. And now they are in unholy matrimony.
Just pray. Just pray that the God apprehends him. Have you seen everything? No, just take a look. Have you seen it? Listen to your wife. You will say no. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like what Onowu and the elders are telling you to do. How can you breach the agreement? My king, you're a wealthy king. You have the money. You can't cut corners on this. You took an oath, remember?
It was fabricated oath.
What? What did you just say?
The oath was fabricated. I mean, how do you expect me to be paying 100 to 200,000 to the old parents and still pay 100,000 to the wife on a monthly basis? Build house, a duplex, and the fashion house to the same people. I mean, this is a blood-sucking project. You must agree with me.
He is going to prison for your son! Your son killed Juliet, his girlfriend, in a hotel. And now, Aana, your son's driver, claimed that he's the one that killed Juliet. And now, you want to play smart? What? Really? Is that not too much? 7 years. 7 good years of imprisonment.
Nothing is too much for Igwe Hilary and his descendants. After all, it's just a minimal jail term. I worked it with my money.
Don't play smart, whether minimum or maximum. And don't play extra smart on taking a fake oath. You have to do what the agreement says, period.
Listen to me. This is not being smart. It is called social intelligence. I didn't want to stand in the chance of him rejecting not to go in place of my son, right? That's why I did what I did. But please, don't come in between us. I know the web I'm spinning, all right? Can I catch some sleep now? Before Oye Market successfully counted their success, it was because the King Market was a huge success. So why I'm saying this is that I want people to calm down. I know the web that I am spinning. In no distant time, everything will settle. When when the chips are down, we will separate the voice from the man.
I am not in support of this. I am not. Aana is like an angel to my son. He is somebody's son. Oh no, please, tell my husband the truth. Tell him the right thing and not what you two are talking about.
How dare you? How dare you interfere in the meeting the chiefs and I are having? How dare you?
Calm down. My queen, the truth is that Aana's demand was too much. And in our desperation to save the kingdom from this impending shame, we did not bargain at all.
Oh no. Imagine if it's your son. No, tell me, will your son, Nnabueze, accept to go to jail for the sake of this royal house? Will he? Can he really calm down to go to jail to give his life for the sake of this royal house? I guess not. I cried. I begged. I did everything for Aana to accept to save the reputation of my son. And not just that alone, for the sake of this royal house.
Azoka, I am the king of this great kingdom. And I have already decreed not what Aana is asking for. And if you go up against it, you will be responsible for what will happen to you. Now, get out! Out! Out!
It doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter. One day, it gon' matter. It doesn't matter. One day, it gon' matter.
He killed my Onyeka. But Onyeka is gone forever. Oh, Chiamaka. Chiamaka, I will not forgive you.
Listen, man. You mad. Listen, they mad. How will you come to the pastor and make when you faint on top waiting? Is he mad?
I don't know. Chiamaka. I wish they killed her too. I wish they killed her.
But it's not her fault. It's not her fault, honestly. It's not.
Meaning what?
Not her fault.
Didn't you hear Izu? He said it's Chiamaka that appeared to that man's house and asked him to run. They saw her there.
Something fishy is going on in this palace that we are not aware of.
Of course.
Something fishy is going on. I'm very certain. But we'll find out, don't worry. Yeah? Dry your tears, it's okay. Okay, it's okay, it's fine.
It's fine.
We'll get to the root of it, don't worry. Go.
Ọbara tule. Ọkwa ihe izi anyị na-eka anyị na-eme. Ọkwa ka ọ dị mma. Bad. Gịnị na-emezi? Ba, ọ na-anọkwa na mmiri ncha abaghị anya. No. Igwe. Arụ. Where is the staff?
It's in the royal chamber, of course.
Where is the staff that signifies your royalty as the king of Ago Kingdom?
What is the matter?
Where is it? I want to see it. The worst is about to happen.
What is it?
The staff! The staff is missing!
Where is the royal staff? Hey!
Your Majesty.
Echaka, the royal staff is gone. What is going on?
Huh? Where is the staff? The worst is about to happen.
Great Ichaka, please, I beg of you, do something. Please do something, I beg you.
There's nothing I can do about that. The glory of this royal house has left your household.
Mba, Ichaka, please, you must do something about this. Naya, just get down to her shrine. Then find out 2 minutes for your boy.
Yes.
Biko, find out what happened.
There's nothing I can do. I can't do that.
I am still the king. I am still King Hilary Ago Cricketing Bon Kembo Naumu Kingdom. This throne belongs to me. The throne is mine.
Your Majesty, the matter is now with the royal staff. How do we find it? That is the matter. It disappeared.
crying?
How can you take such decision without telling your father? How? Aana, you just got married. What are you going to do about your wife? Who are you leaving her for? Has the king bewitched you? I'm asking you. What has the prince done to you that you are ready to give up your life for him? What? Why?
Mama, Wale and Wayo, you people need to understand me. What you got Mbalu, Izbutulu. Mama, we're on agreement already. Eh? What understand me? It's not that I want to die, but Mama, understand me, please.
Aana, how could you do that? How could you? I'm asking you.
Mama, see, the truth is this. My wife will be given a shop, and the king will always pay her 100,000 naira every month. Then you and Papa will be paid 150,000 naira each every month, and they will build a duplex for us.
I thought you have brain. You are so naive.
Mama, brace you.
It's true.
I'm not intact.
I'm leaving. I'm going. I'm leaving. Please. You're very wicked and heartless. You don't even think about me. Okay, so you want to make me a widow, right?
No, I'm thinking about all of us.
You're not.
Please.
You want to make me a widow. God. You want to kill me. You want to leave me and go to prison. Why? Did you ever think about me? Did you ever for once think about me? What if you've been sentenced to death? What if you are being sentenced to death by hanging or by firing? Do you even think about your life?
Such thing would not happen. It will not happen. Okay? The king is talking with the judge who is handling the case. It's not about me, it's about the kingdom. It's a taboo, it's a crime if the prince should face the trial and go to jail. It's not good for the kingdom.
You're just thinking about yourself.
No.
No, you're just thinking about yourself. Only you.
Babe, no.
Just about yourself.
I'm thinking of everybody.
That's a lie. That's a big lie, because if you're thinking of everybody, you wouldn't take such a decision without consulting anyone. Without consulting your wife, your mother, your father. Just leave me alone. Let me just go. I'd rather go than become a widow.
No, you don't do this. Mama, please beg her for me.
Leave me alone. I want to go.
Biko, you're not going anywhere. Oh, Biko, I'm sorry. Understand me. It's for our good, Mama.
Aana, you have broken my heart. I am so disappointed. No man can ever do this to his own mother. My only child, my only hope. Your father is at the harbor home groaning in pain. All you could think of is to go to prison for a crime you did not commit. All because you need money. All because of the taste of this world. What is your problem? Did you think well?
Mama, please. Shut
up. I don't want to be a widow.
I will not die.
Please, Your Highness. We are newlyweds. We just got married. Please, I beg you, my husband cannot do this. He cannot go to jail. Please. His father is critically ill at the herbal home. His mother is sick and she can't do anything. He's the only son of his parents, the only child. I am his wife. We are barely 3 months in our marriage. Please, I beg you. Another person can do this for the royal family. Another person can help the royal family, but not my husband. Please, I beg you. You can't send him to jail. Please, it's all I have. Please, I beg you. Please, Your Majesty. Please, just help me reconsider. Just help me reconsider. Please, don't send him away from us.
It's okay.
Please, I beg you.
It's alright, young girl. You see, I sympathize with you and your condition. From the way you see it. Because in a situation like this, it is important for one to discover the opportunities underneath. One should be happy that he is undertaking this for the sake of his king and his kingdom. And I want you to know that Aana and the royal family, and in fact the entire people of Ago Kingdom, had an agreement. And we all swore an oath binding ourselves to make sure we keep to the agreement. So in that case, you will only see good things out of it. It is for your own good. And I am sure that Aana must come back safe and sound.
I don't want him to go to jail. Please, I don't want the good things. I just don't want him to go to jail.
The fact is that there is no going back on this agreement. Understand it?
It's okay, my dear. Cry no more. Listen, I will make sure you lack nothing. Don't worry, my daughter. Your husband will come back to you someday. Listen, it's not a death sentence. I promise you that, okay?
Wipe your tears, huh? What no one has told you is that I am taking charge of her whole thing. Nothing will happen to him, okay? You and your family will be fine for the rest of the time he's going to spend there. I'll make sure that I'll take care of everything. You and your family. Do not worry. Nobody will harm him there, okay? He will come back. You hearing me?
Rise. Get up. Aana is a great man. He has proven to be what I thought he cannot be. You should be proud of him. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Son, I will give you 100,000 for her, so she can go home.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears.
Lord, my treasure.
My love, no matter what happens, please, I want you to take care of yourself for me and my parents. Please.
I will. But promise me you're going to come back.
Of course.
Promise me that this is not a death sentence.
I will definitely come back. Of course I will. The king asked I should be given freedom for now.
Tomorrow is the judgment day, right?
Yes, my love.
Aana, I love you. I love you so much. I can't imagine a day without you. I don't know how I'm going to survive.
Listen. Come on, listen to me. I love you. I love you so much. And I will never stop loving you. Okay? Just take care of yourself for me and my parents. Please. come back, okay?
Your Highness, it is over a month now my nephew, Aana, went to prison. And we've not heard from the palace. His wife came to complain to me that my brother, a father-in-law, is critically ill. And they need money to continue his treatment. So we're here to know what is happening, Your Highness.
Well, it's quite unfortunate that I am yet to fulfill all the promises I made. No doubt I made some promises and had an agreement with you people before Aana went to prison. But as it stands now, things are no longer at ease. My company is about to fold up, but not to worry about. I will fulfill all the promises I've made. I'm only asking for 1 month extra so that I will start up the building project as I promised before, and then fulfill everything that I agree with you people. Just little patience. That's all I'm asking for.
Your Majesty, I just need Papa's medical bill. I just need money to pay for Papa's medical bill. I've spent all the money Aana gave me for his medical bills, even my own money. So if I can get some money so I can pay for Papa's bill, I will be so happy. That's why I came, Your Majesty.
Well, I am encouraging you not to relent. You're a virtuous woman. That is credit on your side. But like I said before, it's a little time, then I will come up with all the promises I've made. As for Aana's father in the hospital, of course I shall visit very soon to see him there in the hospital. Nevertheless, if you're about to leave, God there will give you a token just for transport.
It's all right, Your Highness.
All right. Please say me well before Aana's father. I will.
It's okay. Mama, please stop doing this to yourself, okay? Mama, please stop crying.
They fooled him. They cheated my son. He has gone to prison without even telling us the crime the prince committed. Yet they're not fulfilling their promises.
Mama, they will do it. They will. They will fulfill their promise.
They will not. The king will not. He's lying. I mean, I know him too well. He's a dubious man. You might not understand, but I know what I'm saying. He will not fulfill. They have used my son. They have used him even without his knowledge.
Mama, nobody used my husband, okay? Mama, they took an oath, remember? They took an oath, and I'm certain the king will do it. He will fulfill his promise, Mama. Mama, stop doing this to yourself, I beg you. Please, it hurts me seeing you like this. Mama, I need to go and give Papa food. at the herbal home. Mama, make sure you eat something. Make sure you eat your food. I'm missing my son. I'm missing him. I am so scared. I'm scared. The future is not clear to me at all. But the future is clear. Mama, the future is clear. You need to stop this, Mama. You have to be positive. Stop saying these negative things now. It's okay. Everything.
My prince, good afternoon.
Beautiful Ujunwa. How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Good. That's very good. Wow. You're going home?
Yes, I'm going home.
Alright. Get in, let me drop you off.
No, my house is not very far. I'm almost home.
Oh, come on, Ujunwa. We're now family friends. Get into the car, let me drop you at your husband's house.
If you insist.
I insist.
Thank you.
Ujunwa, Aana is a lucky man to have you as his wife.
You're beautiful. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
I should have asked. What about your father-in-law?
His condition is getting really worse.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm just coming from the herbal home and he doesn't eat, he doesn't talk to anyone. He only asks about his son, Aana.
This is pathetic. Very pathetic. But don't worry yourself. In no time, everything will be fine. You don't need to bother yourself. I already told my father to fly your father-in-law abroad. Alongside with you.
Really?
Yes. You know, Aana is a loyal servant to the royal home.
Wait.
And he has proven beyond doubt that he can do anything.
Yes.
I mean, anything to save my family. You understand me?
Yes, I do.
Are you really serious about the abroad thing?
Come on, I'm very serious. Alright, let me tell you. My father, my family,
Yes.
they have bigger plans for Aana.
I just wish my father-in-law will hold on till your father flies him abroad.
I told you it will happen.
Yes.
Right? He just need to be patient. My family have bigger dreams. Big dream for the family.
I am so happy. Thank you so much for this news. I am so happy about this. Thank you. You don't know how happy I am right now.
It's nothing.
Thank you.
So, should I come and pick you tomorrow when you're going to see Papa?
No, Mama. Hey. Yes, Mama, I'm back.
Good day, Mama. Good day, Mama.
Good day. How are you?
Fine.
Mama, he saw me on my way coming back, so he decided to give me a lift.
It's alright. What about what I asked you?
My prince, don't worry yourself, eh? I'll be fine. Don't stress yourself.
No, I insist.
Okay then, it's fine.
Bye.
Welcome.
Mama, let's go.
is it?
Mama, you're back.
Yes. You look stressed. Eh?
I did some house chores.
I see.
Mama, is anything the matter?
Not at all. Just checking on my son's wife.
So, Mama, how is Papa?
My daughter. My husband cannot speak what anybody can hear now. I don't understand. The sickness is getting from bad to worse. I'm just thinking, is it no more falling from the tree we have been treating? Or is there any other thing? I'm scared.
Mama, look, you don't have to be scared. Nothing will happen to Papa. Nothing will happen to him.
I hope so. The problem now is that the medicine man is requesting for more money. 70,000 naira this time.
70,000 naira? Yes. For what?
He said he wants to use it to buy materials for the treatment.
Huh.
Eh? That man wants to suck us dry, you.
Mama, it can't work. Oh. Just last week we gave him 30,000 naira. Yet there was no improvement. And now he's requesting for another 70,000 naira. Mama, it seems like we'll take Papa from that place and take him to a better place. Because this is becoming too much now.
What are you saying, Ujunwa? Take him to another place?
Yes.
Another place? Another money? No. If you go to another place, that person will start a fresh charging. We can't afford it. We can just... In fact, we have to see if we can, give him 20,000 naira to start the treatment. Let him start something. Because from what he told me, there will be a strong change this time. Yes. And another thing is that my husband has started battling with stroke.
Stroke?
Yes. His left hand and neck are bending now.
Hey God forbid. God forbid, Mama, God forbid. It's not Papa's portion. God forbid.
Let's just see if there's anything that man can do about it. That's it. Did you cook anything?
Yes, Mama, let me get you your food. I made jollof rice.
It's okay. Please get it quick, because this evening I'll be going back there. I want to spend the night with him that place, so that you can rest.
No
Try go.
No problem. Let me get you your food.
It's okay.
It should be enough. Just 50,000 naira.
Thank you so much, my prince. Thank you. I'll give it to the man. Thank you.
Junwa.
My prince, thank you for the money. I have to start going now before Mama will be looking for me.
Ujunwa, I've always wanted you to be my queen. I feel anger and jealous that my driver, Aana, is having this beautiful figure as his wife. I feel the pain deep down my spine. Be my queen now that he's no more.
Sorry, I can't do that. It's impossible. I am his wife. Aana will come back after he serves his jail term. He's going to come back.
Listen, you can be a wife to a commoner. Let us be man and wife. I will make you the queen of this land. I love you with everything in me. My love is genuine. Come.
My prince, I have to be on my way.
Are you okay? Is everything all right? My name is Prince Leonard of Odeba Hillary. I get what I want.
Oh, hello. Hello, man.
Hey! Ewa! Ewa!
Hello.
Hey!
Our own brother. Our own brother. Oh, where you go? Check. Hello, man. Hello.
Yes. Hey. A man with a pure heart of good. A humble man. Just like his son, Aana. Oh, Aana. Your father is gone. Your father is gone.
Hey! Ewo! Ewo!
Father is gone.
Hey! Ewo! Oh, Kasije! Hey! Hey! Obi awo wadumo! Madalabu lalaru! Hey! Hey! This pen I am going through. The son. You promised to build us house. Promised to take my sick husband overseas for medical treatment. You promised everything without accomplishing even one. Hey, no. No, I will not take this. I will not take this. No. Ma, gods of our land. Gods of our land. Ma, this battle is not mine. It is of you. You will fight for me. You will fight for my family. Let everything that is hidden be revealed. No! No one can kill my son. No mortal being can ever take your life unless I am not your mother. No! Let me tell you, Aana. Aana, wherever you are, in this land of the living, your glory must always shine. Whether in prison, whether in palace, whether in my house, in this planet Earth, your glory must always shine. You can never stay hidden. It's not possible. Aana, my son, may you come back and meet your mother in good state. But if you happen not to see me anymore, my wish unto you, my good son, is that you will live to become that which the gods has destined you to be. Yes! Don't come to me. Sorry. Don't ever sorry me. I am so sorry. I said you should not sorry me. You conspired against me, my fellow woman. Just look at you. You are putting on makeup, putting on your crown, putting on jewels. Because of that, you think you are more than every other person in this community. You have your own child. I have mine. You conspired against my own family and took my only son to prison because I know you are part of it. Your son is there enjoying his life with you, and my son is suffering for what he don't know about. You are telling me sorry. Sorry for what? Go and be sorry for yourself.
The promises have not failed. Yes, they have not failed. The king is planning a bigger thing. Oh?
Exactly. I will have a meeting with the king tonight.
Good.
The king is planning a bigger thing. Yes, he's planning another death in my family, but it will bounce back on him. Yes! He's planning a bigger thing with himself, not me. My husband has just died. He's planning another bigger thing. Look, let me tell you. When my husband was sick in bed, did he visit even once? And you, my fellow woman, did you even pay a half visit? Did you? You didn't pay any visit. Why did I even offer you people seat? Why? Who gave them this seat? Get out of my house. I said you people should get out.
It has not come to that.
It has come to that. Get out. Yes. I said get out. I said you should get out.
It has not come to that.
I said get out.
Go, leave, go, get out.
Get out.
Go,
Get
leave.
out of my house.
Leave us.
Get out. Evil people. Take away my food. Nonsense. Get out.
Hey, I'm going to rock my girl. I'm going to carry you around today. You know, take you around town, rock you, you know, cruise you small, you know, with this royal car. That's my girl. Woo, girl looking beautiful. Babe, what is it? Why are you not smiling?
I don't like the way the prince was looking at me at the palace. It was too much. That prince is a womanizer.
Was he staring at you?
Didn't you notice? He was looking at me, he almost raped me with his eyes. I became so uncomfortable.
No, now. The prince has a date. The commissioner's daughter, I think.
Don't even go there. I'm telling you that your prince, that prince, is purely a womanizer.
Babe, no. Anyway, if that happens, I'm going to kill someone about that. Oh, yes, me, I'll finish someone. Oh. I know the joke. Oh.
Don't you? Just be careful. Just be careful. Look at the way he was looking at me like a mumu prince.
Hey, girl. You are insulting my boss, the prince of Agu Kingdom.
Beg. Don't spare me that.
Well, how did you know he was looking at you?
You need to see the way
You
he
are
was
looking
just
too.
looking.
You are looking too.
I wasn't looking. Oh, I saw it now. I was using my side eye to
It's
see him.
okay. It's okay. You're going to enjoy me today, baby.
So why do you want us to eat?
Just say it.
I want you to take me to buy ice cream.
Ice cream, I know. Okay.
What a diamond in my life.
When did you come out of prison? How did you get out of prison?
Why did you sleep with the prince?
The prince? Look, he forced himself on me. He raped me. He raped me, Aana.
You never told anyone?
I was planning to tell Mama. I was planning to tell Chief Kalu, but it's... No!
You are pregnant. Yes, you are pregnant. Hi! You are pregnant for my son. Hey. Aana. Eh? This is good news, mixed with sadness. Why should my son be in prison? Why his wife is pregnant?
Mama.
Hi.
Mama, it's okay.
Hey! My son.